Hello everyone and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi espresso machine. Now for this machine we're just gonna test it. Customer reported that there was no pressure coming out of the machine and it was giving a warning light whenever whenever you were trying to do coffee. So we're just gonna do a test shot starting from scratch all the way from grinding the coffee all the way to the cup. Perfect. Now we're gonna get the temp. Perfect. That should make it nice and tight. As you can see, pressure builds up, coffee comes out, it's getting to the optimal zone as well. There's really good crema coming out of the machine. Excellent shot of espresso. Really looking good. Hot water coming out of the machine perfectly fine. Nice steam. And there you have it. That's the test shot for the DeLonghi espresso machine. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel.